Hey, web designers! Today I'm diving into why Elementor Pro is a total game changer for your WordPress sites. Imagine creating stunning, professional-grade websites without writing a single line of code. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's what Elementor Pro is here to deliver. First off, what is Elementor Pro? It's a premium WordPress plugin that takes the free Elementor to the next level. It offers a drag-and-drop editor that's super intuitive. Just drag elements like images, text blocks, and buttons onto your page and arrange them however you like. No coding skills needed. Now let's talk features. Elementor Pro comes packed with over 50 advanced widgets. Posts widget for dynamic content, portfolio widget for showcasing projects, and even a slides widget for responsive slideshows. Want to add a call to action button? Done. Need social icons? Easy. But wait, there's more. The theme builder lets you design custom headers, footers, single post layouts, and even WooCommerce pages. Running an online store, the WooCommerce builder lets you craft every aspect of your shop product pages, checkout, you name it. And for those eye-catching pop-ups to grab your visitors' attention, Elementor Pro's pop-up builder has got you covered. Design newsletter sign-ups, special offers, or announcements that match your site's aesthetic. Know some CSS? Great. You can add custom CSS to individual elements or entire pages for that extra bit of customization. And if you're managing multiple pages, global widgets let you update a widget in one place and see changes reflected everywhere. Want to make your site more dynamic? Motion effects and animations can be applied to any widget, section, or column to boost engagement. Worried about team collaborations? The Role Manager feature allows you to assign specific permissions to different users, keeping everything secure and well organized. Why choose Elementor Pro? It's user-friendly, offers incredible design flexibility, and is optimized for speed and performance. Plus, it's great for SEO, working seamlessly with plugins like Yoast SEO. In short, Elementor Pro is the ultimate tool for web designers looking to build professional, customizable websites effortlessly. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your web design game, give Elementor Pro a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.